Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up your new desktop screen from Community Printers. When you unpack your screen, it's going to be folded like this, and when you open it up, this will be the inside of your screen and this will be the outside. The screen comes with masking on both sides to protect the PETG surface. So the first thing you want to do is remove masking on both sides so that way you can assemble and set up your product. So you can begin by taking any corner and just get your fingers and pick up the masking, the very thin plastic, and just peel it back. Now I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to get fingerprints all over this nice brand new PETG, but these are optional and it's up to you if you want to use them or not. Okay, and we'll turn it over to the other side. Remove the masking on this side. Okay. Now this is the outside of the shield. So a good thing to do would be to take the bottom portion and bend these little flaps up just a little bit. And so they would be facing outwards. Alright? Okay. Then flip your screen over so that the inside is facing you. Then take one corner, fold it over, get a nice 90-degree angle. Same thing with this side. Fold it over, get a nice 90-degree angle. And now you can stand it up. So I want to show you how to fold the corners at the top so that the drill holes line up and you can insert the Viking screws to secure your screen. So here I have my screen face down on the tabletop here, and I'm going to fold up one side panel, and then I'm also going to fold the edge panel here that's on the side. And what that is going to do, it's going to have these three holes here at the top. And what I want to do is squeeze these two together and then fold it over the top. So I'll do this again. So I'm going to squeeze this tab together and fold it over the top, and now all the holes line up and I can insert my Viking screw into there. Now on the other panel, where we have the front panel and the side panel, there's also three holes here, and so you want to squeeze this tab together and fold it over, and then those three holes will line up. If you move along the screen to the other side, you can bend this panel up. Again, here you want to squeeze those together and fold over the top, and now those holes line up. And you do the same thing here. Fold those over the top, and that lines up. So next you want to insert your Viking screws into the drill holes after you folded the top. You use this little Viking screw that's included with your screen, and you just detach the wing if it's not already detached. And the way these work, the way these Viking screws work, is that you take the wing nut, insert the screw in there, and then it snaps shut. And that's how that works. If you want to open it or undo it, you gotta twist it and unscrew it. So basically they just snap shut. You want to take your side panel, fold it together, insert the Viking screw, take a wing nut, slide it over the top, and snap it together. So I'm going to take this next panel here, fold it, push that over, insert the Viking screw, put the wing nut on the back, and just push it together. Now I can start folding this to more of a 90-degree angle, and it starts taking shape. So again, I'm going to fold this edge up, pinch those together, fold it over, insert my Viking screw, take a wing nut, and just snap it together. Last one. It's already coming together here, so you pinch those, fold it over, insert the Viking screw, put a wing nut on, put it together. Now you just want to go through and make sure all these folds are nice little 90-degree angles. And there you've got your screen.